Alright guys, yeah, we're out here back at the shed here, and I just pulled out the old lawn tractor. I've had this for probably 35 years. This must be an 82, 83, I'm not sure. But it's always been good to me. And lately I'm having trouble starting it. And then, like if I stop in the middle of the yard and or if I pull over and turn it off, I can't start it when it gets hot. But once it cools down, it'll start again. And even when it starts initially, you know, this used to, you know, you crank it over and then just touch the choke for a second and boom, it starts. You're ready to roll. So, like I said, I've been having trouble. So, the carb was rebuilt. I think Mike rebuilt it about a year ago. And, like I say, it doesn't blow smoke. It's got great compression and everything. I've done a valve job on this, and you know, like I say, it's always run good. So I bought a new coil. I'm thinking, you know, maybe there's something in the coil that's you know, expanding and contracting when it gets hot. It's, you know, it's not making connections or something. So what I did is I bought a new coil, and I'm going to try that and see if that helps any. So let me put you down over here, and we'll try and start it. Hold on. I don't have a tripod out here, so you're gonna have to sit up there. Let me turn you around so I can see what you're doing. Like I say, it used to start pretty easy, but look at it, shut off. Usually when it starts, it would keep running. Now I'm probably gonna have trouble starting it. So let's see. Here so you can hear me. Yeah, usually when it starts, it'll keep running. So let's take it around front and see if it'll start again. Alright, I just drove it around from the back of the house to the front of the house here. Let's shut it off. Alright, like I said, I just brought it from the back of the house to the front of the house here. And let's see if we can start it up. See, it doesn't want to start. Like I say, it was running fine. So let's change the coil and see if that helps any. Strange, isn't it? I'm sure some of you guys that work on these all the time know exactly what's wrong with this, but I don't work on this stuff any of you, unless I have to. Alright, like I said, it doesn't even sound like it wants to start. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, this is what I got. That's an 11 horse engine out there. And this is the new style coil they got. Instead of it going back, it's, you know, they made it a little wider. But I only paid 12 bucks for that. But you know what I noticed? They don't even try to. This is perfectly straight. Get a straight edge here. They don't even try to make it curve and fit around the coil. You know, they just cut it straight. That's crazy. So it shows you how much when you use that little shim, how close it has to be. It doesn't have to be close at all. But I was looking at this, and then I got a whole box of coils here. You know, most of these are for this one here is supposed to be for a 7 to 16 horse. You know, like I said, mine's 11. But I don't see much difference. You know, I mean, same bolt pattern and everything. I probably just could have hit this on a sander and grinder and made this a little flatter so it would match up to the flywheel, and it would have been better. And this is original brakes too. So We'll see. It didn't even come with a boot. We'll put this on and see if that changes anything. Alright, let's go back out. Alright, I bolted the shroud here. I cut my hand, I don't know if you can see that, but I cut my hand. I'm bleeding like a pig here. But before we go get some first aid, let me take this off here. Okay, you just drop that down here. And then you gotta take this starter cover off. Be careful. There's a lot of sharp things around here. Alright, now the shroud should come right off. Alright, and there's our coil. Alright. We go get a band-aid for that. Won't go away. Alright, we got a band-aid here, so let's take this off. I don't know if I mentioned, but I did have issues with this before, you know, because I've had mice eat it and stuff, but I just kept wrapping it with tape, and it's always been good, but we'll see. We'll see what the new one does. Might not do anything. Be careful. Safety first. Alright. This should come off. I was wondering what the noise was just that hitting. Wow, this bitch is hot. Whew. Alright, let's take that off. Let's go get the other one. And put that one on. Alright, I was able to get that old boot off and put it on here. So these new coils actually have a top and a bottom. This side says cylinder side, and this side says this side out. So I checked my ground wire here, make sure my ground wire wasn't touching anything. And that seems to be okay. So put that on. And stick this on. This side out. Turn the magnets over to the side there so they weren't interfering with me. Bear with me, we're injured here, bear with me. Okay, got it pulled all the way out right now. It's quite a long wire there. Alright, now what we'll do is stick this gauge in here, turn it around to the magnets, and about there, and let it adjust itself. There you go. This one's pretty loose. Injured here. Okay. I probably could cut that, but we'll leave it the way it is. Whoop. Alright, that goes in that little hole right there. Alright, you spin this and get your gauge out. Alright, I'm gonna put all the shrouds back on. You guys don't have to see that. And then we'll try and start it. Alright, all back together. Has cooled off a little, but let's see. Let's see what it does. I'd say that was a success. That's the way it used to start. Boom. Let's try it again. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I could do this all day. Alright. I consider that a success. So if you're having trouble starting after it heats up on you, there you go. 12 bucks to get yourself a new coil. Alright. Yeah, Road King's happy. So I'm going to put the hood back on it, and I think we're going to mow the lawn. Alright. Enough of this.